to another episode of Kraken's Garage. Today we're going to talk about the easy ways to get stickers off of your motor vehicle. In this case, my motorcycle. It could be your scooter, lawnmower, whatever. Whatever glue they use and whatever type of sticker they use, I swear they probably use this stuff on the shuttle to keep the heat-resistant shingles on the bloody shuttle re-entering the Earth's atmosphere. They're unbelievably hard to get off. It flakes off only a piece at a time and it's a nightmare to get off. I'm going to show you how to get them off nice and easy. First thing we're going to do is heat it up with a heat gun. You can use a hair dryer if you don't have a heat gun. It's just going to take a little bit longer, and what we need to do is get the surface area heated up nice and hot. I mean almost hot to the touch. And that also softens up the properties of the sticker, gives it more elasticity rather than flaking off. Let's heat it up nice and good. Just a little patch at a time. Like I said, where you want it, you gotta be careful. You gotta be careful. If you heat it too much, you'll cook the paint and it'll bubble. So you do this in small increments. Okay, she's coming up a little easier on this corner. That's a start. It's hot. Perfect. After you're done, wipe it up with some cleaning agent to get the rest of the glue off from the sticker. Put a thin coat of wax on it. Let it set up. And get a good protective coat over that fresh paint right there. Good to go. Just a real quick video, hopefully to give you a tech tip on how to keep your bike looking sharp without having to host all those wonderful you're gonna die stickers all over your bike. Made it quick and easy to get it removed, for the most part in big chunks versus a small flake at a time. And hopefully it helps you out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button down in the corner, and I'll see you in the next one.
And remember, folks, go riding when you can, 'cause it's good for ya.